undecided, and there's nothing here for miles, just horizon where the starlight meets the tide. But in the silence I hear your voice describe another life where we can feel alive. Oh my, keep my love close, take my hand. If you just let go, I will be your home under purple skies where the moonlight goes. You can be my heart and I'll be your soul. You know we'll run free like a rolling stone. Just like the northern lights, we'll dance in between the tides, and I'll see them in your eyes. So just let go. My heart always used to hold out on. We'll run free like a rolling stone. Lay by the fire, feel the warmth of your embrace, burning desire. When we both come face to face, but in the silence I hear your voice describe another life where we can feel alive. Oh my, keep my love close, take my hand. If you just let go, I will be your home under purple skies where the moonlight goes. You can be my heart and I'll be your soul. You know we'll run free like a rolling stone. Just like the northern lights, we'll dance in between the tides, and I'll see them in your eyes. So just let go. My heart always used to hold out on. You run free like a rolling stone. Rolling stone. Rolling stone. You can be my heart and I'll be your soul. I know we'll run free like a rolling stone. Rolling stone. Rolling stone.
This dance is called Rolling Stone, choreographed by Maggie, Gallagher, and Gary O'Reilly. It's a way to come forward, improve a level line dance. There is one restart in this dance. Session 1, starting with the right foot. Crosswalk, recover, chassé to your right. Cross, side, behind, swing kick. Session 2, behind, side, cross shuffle. Side, quarter turn right side, quarter turn right side, touch. Session 3, point, touch, heel switch, heel and rocking chair, forward rock recover, back rock recover. Session 4, step forward, pivot half turn left, shuffle forward, step forward, pivot quarter turn right, cross sweep. Last step, now is the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. There is one restart in this dance. On wall 4, you will be facing now clock. Do 20 count and restart the dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. These are 20 count and restart the dance. 1, 2. Last restart. Now let me show you the ending. The last 8 count, you will be facing 12 o'clock. Step forward, pivot half turn left, shuffle forward. Now change the step for the ending. Step forward, pivot half turn right, forward, forward, forward and dip. Swing your right arm from back to front. Count for the last section. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. That's the ending. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.